Okay, in this problem we have a question asking us which of the following choices show a reflection. So we're looking at reflections here, and the way I think about reflections is that you take a shape and you use a line of reflection, so here's our line in each case, to make a mirror image of that shape. And just like when you look in the mirror, everything is the same, but everything is almost in a backwards order. So I just by looking at this, I think A is the answer, because here, this triangle on the right, if you look how it's facing towards the line of reflection, it's facing towards it, right? With this leg sticking out on this side, but then when you reflect it, it should have the exact same shape and be in the exact same position, but in the opposite direction. And that's what happens here. If I look at this point and this point, they're reflected. They're both on the inside of the triangle towards the line of reflection. And these points are reflected as well, and so are these corresponding points. So that, I think A is the answer. Here we have a sliding of the triangle. That's called a translation. And you can remember that translation means slide because you have the SL right there for slide. Here in part C, it looks like some type of rotation. We took this triangle, right, and somehow turned it so that we get that triangle right there. And I'm trying to think what kind of a rotation that would be, and I'm kind of interested to think about that more in other videos, but I'll leave it to you right here. Let's to think about why it's some type of rotation. Here, we're sliding over and down or up and over, and that's also a translation. So the only choice here that makes sense to me is A as a reflection. Alright, hope that helped.